I'm not trying to sell you a course. I'll give you everything you need to know in this video, I promise. First, you got to pick an investing strategy and stick to it. There's 3 main ways you can make money in real estate investing. First is fixing and flipping. It's when you take a house that looks like crap and you make it look nice. Then you got wholesaling. This is when you're the middleman and you connect a seller to a buyer and you make the difference between the 2 transactions. Third, and my favorite, is buy and hold or rental properties. This is when you buy a house, you rent it out every single month, and that's how you make passive income. You're going to want to pick one and master all the formulas and information behind it because each strategy is different and it can overwhelm you and confuse you. Step 2 is to pick a location that you want to invest in based on data. You want to look up these factors: the crime rate, the unemployment rate, population growth, the price to rent ratio, and the property taxes. And if the state is landlord friendly or not. You can use this spreadsheet that I give out for free to track all of the different data points with all of the cities. Once you got all the numbers, you want to pick one that's best for you. The third step is about making sure you get your finances in order. The easiest way to do this is to call up a bank and ask them if you can get pre-approved for a mortgage. Call them and literally say this: "Hey, I'm looking to buy an investment property in Austin, Texas. I'd like to get a pre-approval letter. Can you help me with that?" They're going to ask you questions about your credit score, your tax returns, your job history, your debts, your income, all that stuff. At the end, they'll tell you if you're pre-approved or not, and this may take a couple of days. And step 4 is to go over to Zillow or your favorite property website and start looking at property. You're going to call up a real estate agent and ask them to send you properties that are in your criteria. Then you're going to use a spreadsheet like something like this to analyze the property and see how much profit it's going to make you every month. The way you do this is you first look at the rental income and then you subtract all the expenses like your taxes, your insurance, your repairs, your utilities, all that stuff. When you find a property that's making you at least $150 per month per unit and 8% return on investment, then I would make an offer if you're a beginner. And then it's your job to repeat steps 4 and 5 until you get a property to close. It took me analyzing 200 properties and I made offers on 9 before I found one. I get it, there's scammers out there, but there's nothing wrong with making money from teaching people if you can actually help them get them results. Hit that follow button for more tips for beginner real estate investors.